Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the stock of BioCryst Pharmaceuticals, and the ticker symbol for BioCryst Pharmaceuticals is bcrx. Now the stock has jumped very sharply this morning, and the reason behind this is very good fundamentals or very good quarterly numbers that the stock has posted. And the actual revenue came at $19.1 million compared to the estimate of 8.9. So this is a substantial beat in terms of revenue that the company has posted. And apart from that, I'm just reading out the important lines. This company has also reached an agreement with the FDA to use a change from baseline in hemoglobin as a primary endpoint for its planned pivotal clinical studies evaluating BCX 9930 in treating rare disease. So this is what the company is doing. So I don't want to go into details or the press release. You can probably read it out. But if the company continues to show good fundamentals, obviously it will push the share price on the higher side. Now this is the long-term chart of BioCryst Pharmaceuticals, and the important thing about this chart is this is very much predictable, and my personal favorite kind of chart. So I like this kind of patterns. Reason being, we know exactly what we are going to expect and what will be the end result, because whenever the stock hits the lower end of the range, the probability is it's going to move on the higher end of the range or vice versa. And here you have a range bound pattern for the last 20 plus years. So it is very hard for the stock to make a breakout above that, and our intention is not to go beyond the range. Our intention is to play with the range. And if you are looking at this range, you will see particular levels. Until and unless stock makes a breakout, we are not going beyond the range. So the ranges that we have for the time being are something like this. Okay, so here we have. So first of all, you must know your stop loss or support levels. Your immediate support will come at 9.92. Then you will have a second support at 5.92, and you have your third support at 3.76. I don't want to go below this number because otherwise you will go back to the previous support of 1.18 and 0.92 on the downside. Now because it is trading above 9.92 and probably hit the next target as well, which is this one, $14, because it is currently quoting at 12.92. So once it sustains our $14, we have our next target at 17. Then we have 23, and it can increase up to 34. Now what's the difference in this time is, when you are looking at pharmaceutical companies, so there are across the board companies with different product lines, but because of the health crisis the entire globe is facing, so the opportunity, in terms of opportunity, everything looks very big. And when company have something specific in terms of products and in terms of services, then obviously this time there will be a probability of breakout. But as I told you, we are not going to think beyond the range. Our biggest target for the time being is $34, and if and only if the stock makes a breakout beyond $34 or $35 and sustain above that, then we will go beyond the range, and then we will reanalyze the chart accordingly. This is kind of forecast, but for the time being we have a specific trend and we have to oblige that. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.